So hi guys, I just finished my 15 minutes bike and strength HIIT class. So this will be a tutorial for what we're gonna do together later on in the video without talking, right? So first one, you're gonna go on your bike and you're gonna perform 45 seconds of the spinning class. The intensity is up to you. Either you want to have cardio or go super fast. You can go standing as well, right? So it all depends what you want. Either you just go normal biking, you can go standing biking, you can freeze your position, your upper body, and just focus on the legs. So it's basically up to you what you actually want to do. Make it challenging, right? Maybe the first one goes slow as your warm-up. Okay, so that will be every second exercise. It's your bike. If you don't have a bike and you still want to do this workout, you can do high knees for your cardio, you can do burpees, anything that is, you know, what's gonna raise up your heart rate. Okay, the exercise number 2 is gonna be a goblet squat. Okay, so pick up the heavy weights. Here I have 12 kilo, and you're gonna go down, engage your core, and you press up. You can just squeeze your glutes. So we're not hyperextending our back, we're just squeezing the glutes, and you can go slow down if you want to use the tempo, and you can come up and squeeze. Okay, so that will be 45 seconds of this one. And then again, bike and so on. So I'll just break down the strength exercises you need to do. And next one is a squat to shoulder press. So we're gonna go into the normal squat, and then you do the cross body shoulder press. Okay. So inhale, exhale when you do the cross shoulder press. Pay attention to your foot, knee, and hip go in the same direction when you're pressing with the weight up. You go down and right. So you do the rotation in your hip, knee, and in your foot at the same time. So to prevent any injuries, this is the best way so that you're basically rotating your body correctly. All right, so curtsy to side lunge. Pick up the weights. You can have 2 positions. I changed here and there. And we're gonna go, the first position you can have hands down, and you're gonna step laterally. Make sure that both feet are down. So we're not trying to do that, and also not trying to do that. But if your anatomy or the both structures put your body in this position where you're facing your foot a little bit diagonally, you can go so like this. Just make sure that the knee traveling in the same direction as your toes, but definitely the best one for the glutes would be just straight if you can do it. Okay, and then you're just gonna go with a little bit momentum backwards into the curtsy and come back up. With the curtsy, so we're not rotating the hips sideways, we're trying to have the hips square as much as possible, okay? And the harder position, which will target also your core, is the weights up, engage your core, and then go into the curtsy. So we are targeting the side butt and the inner thighs with this combo, which is one of my favorite combos. Okay. Then we're going to do also the inner thighs and the glutes as well with plie, with a combo of 2 exercises, positions of the hand. And first one, weight down as a sumo position, and the second one, weight up to pulses. Again, make sure that the knee and toes are traveling in the same direction. Back is straight and you go straight down vertically. Okay, from the side will look like that. You go down, down, you come up, down, down. You can go as low as you can with a proper form. Of course, be mindful of that all the time. Okay, next one. We have monkey push-ups. So you will have to have really strong shoulders for this one, and your hands and your wrists. So we're gonna go into this semi-squat. You're leaning forward, elbows will travel backwards, and you're just pressing the head down. And use your core when you push yourself. Yeah? If this will be too hard, especially for the beginners, just do the normal push-up from the knees. It's totally fine. Right? It's not going to target the shoulders as much as monkey push-ups, but you can actually do monkey push-ups from your knees. So practice this move if you can. It's totally alright. It's a little bit different push-up. Okay? And T push-ups are next one. So you're gonna perform the push-up down, and then you're gonna rotate into the side plank, and then push up and rotate into the side plank. Again, beginners, go from your knees, and then you can also, if you have more space, go like into the side plank like this, or from the knees you go up and do the rotation. When we are doing the side plank with the rotation, make sure that also you're rotating not just like that, right? Make sure that you're rotating with your feet first, hands on the ground, engage your core, and then elevate your arm. Again, down, abs tight, and then rotate your feet first and traveling up with your hands, and then go down. So everything needs to be step by step. When the advanced exercises are done fast, you have to know that us, we were also beginners at one point, and we had to break down each exercise step by step in order to make it right. And then once you do that, like quite often, the motion of every specific exercise will flow, you know, very effortlessly. But that doesn't mean it's not hard for us. It is. We just mastered the proper technique, and that's why it looks so smooth and nice. So make sure that you're doing your exercises step by step. Okay? All right, and then the last one is clam abs. Also for this one, make sure that you have enough space. So we're gonna hug the knee with the weight like this, and you're gonna extend your legs and arm backwards, and then come back. Inhale, hold the breath, and exhale when you're here. All right, so beginner, you can totally do this one without a weight, because the weight going behind your head will put a lot of strain on your lower back, and if your core is not yet strong, it will create an arch in your lower back, so you will actually overload your lower back, and that means the pain and possible injuries, which we don't want. So in this case, make sure that the back is pressed to the mat, and if you don't want to, you know, extend your arm backwards, then you can just basically do the knee out extensions like this. Yeah? Leg extensions like that. Okay? You will still feel the core. Or you can just do like this one, right? Okay. Yeah. And that is all what I am about to say about this workout. It is pretty intense, so make sure that you will do this workout with a proper form, and rest if you need rest. If you need a rest more than 15 seconds, take it, and then just you know, progress from that point on. If you're still a beginner, just start somewhere. You know, even if the workout looks intimidating, you know, remember we were all beginners at one point, and we just have to start somewhere to progress. Okay? Okay. So that's it. I see you in the live workouts. So this is the tutorial breakdown. The live workouts will be just me working out with the music in the background, And here you have, this is the tutorial for the workout breakdowns we are doing. And also, if you want to have your own music, the simple way is just use the video. Yeah. And another thing, if you want to work out with me every single day, visit fitnessbymaya.com, where I have over 250 workout videos for you there with a weekly schedule. You can just press, okay, today is Monday, click on Monday workout, and you can work out with me there with even better workouts, with structured programs, and so on, weekly challenges and meal plans, and all is there for you. Alright, so don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video if you think it's helpful. Let me know if you like these separate tutorials for each and every single video. Alright, thank you so much for watching. See you in the real-time workout. Ciao!